We have a patient with us who was suffering with an upper back pain, actually stiff neck, and also a lower back pain that was for months. Pero ang pinaka naging concern niya, he was suffering of a neck pain that is limiting his motion when he is rotating his neck. He came to us to seek for help. I want you to share this story na kung ano nang na-experience niya in FADISAB.
By the way, I'm Martin Ugoy, 42 years old. Actually, first time ko magpa-PT, naramdaman ko 2 weeks before ako magpa-check up dito. Grabe yung pain na nararamdaman ko sa neck ko, yung discomfort, nasa level ng 100 na siya. Tapos yung pain is extreme na. So, tiniis ko pa rin dahil kala ko ordinary stiff neck lang siya, Doc. Pero nung huli, talagang nag-seek na ako ng help. Right after noon, in-schedule niya agad ako for treatment po. Actually, Doc, on the first day pa lang, naramdaman ko agad yung relief eh. Pero nung third session ko, halos nawala na yung sakit niya. Lalo na sa lower back ko, nawala talaga totally. Dahil matagal ko na rin iniintay yung lower back ko. Pero sa lower back ko nawala. Yung sa stiffness ko sa neck and shoulders, nawala po yung sakit. Actually, kaya ko na mag-drive, kaya ko na tumingin sa side mirror, kaya ko na tumingin sa baba ulit. On the third session pa lang sobrang ganda ng treatment dito sa FADISAB. After nga magpa-treat, lagi akong inaantok talaga. Sobrang sarap ng tulog ko dahil komportable na po ako ulit marami na po ako nagagawa ulit na hindi ko nagagawa.
So after having an x-ray, we saw that the patient was actually suffering from a cervical spondylosis and also a lumbar spondylosis. So this is a condition para siyang wear and tear sa spine. So your disc gets degenerated or rumurupok na siya because of stress, because of sedentary lifestyle, or simply of overuse. And over the course of time, if it piles up, it will lead to this kind of conditions. This is actually your 10th session, diba? How do you compare yourself from dati, the first session, and now?
Sobrang feeling better, Doc, dahil talagang wala na yung tightness. Na-treat nga ako dito in the third session pa lang. Naramdaman ko agad parang nawala talaga siya.
That's good.
Nawala talaga yung
I'm happy to hear that. Actually, we tailor the treatment plan for him. Binigay ko yung endorsements sa kay PT Pat. She handled actually yung si patient Martin. Yung message dito is that do not ignore that chronic pain that you are suffering, because once you keep ignoring that chronic pain, it will lead to a much bigger problem.
First, hindi talaga siya makukuha ng isang araw. Talagang kailangan disiplina. Sundin mo kung ano yung sinabi ng PT ko, anong pinagagawa sa'yo. At the same time, yung mga exercises na tinuturo niya is gawin mo sa bahay. Huwag ka mag-relax na kada punta mo lang dito, mag-aasa ka lang sa PT. So, kailangan disiplinahin din yung sarili, Doc. And then, tulungan. Ayun nga, magtulungan kayong dalawa para doon sa treatment. Dito sa staff ng FADISAB, sobrang wala akong masabi. Sobrang feel kong at home ako lagi pag nandito ako. Tulad nga na sinasabi ko lagi kay Miss Pat, nakakatulog pa ako habang tinitreat ako. Dahil sobrang yung comfort nandun siya. Dahil yung dati talaga puro discomfort na nararamdaman ko. Grabe yung treatment nila sa akin, yung pagtrato nila sa akin dito. Sobrang at home na at home ako dito sa FADISAB. So, nagpapasalamat talaga ako kay Doc Fadi, kay Miss Pat. Talagang tumutulong sa akin na mawala talaga yung sakit na nararamdaman ko. Actually, nawala na talaga siya.
So yun, it's actually very important yung consistency. Consistency, and just like what Sir Martin said, is the discipline. Because if you're going to have therapy here, pero outside of the therapy, ginagawa mo pa rin yung mga bawal, ginagawa mo pa rin yung mga hindi dapat na gawin, then asahan mo, you will not really see any progress.
Advice ko sa audience is, pag may nararamdaman kayo na medyo matagal na, huwag nyo nang tiisin. Dumiretso ka agad kayo sa PT, huwag kayo magpunta magpamasahe dahil hindi siya talaga makakatulong. Yung PT, naramdaman ko yung unang touch pa lang nila, nakuha ka agad yung talagang masakit na spot na-treat ka agad yun. So magpa-check up kayo kagad, magpunta kayo kagad para ma-treat kayo, kasi pag pinabayaan nyo, grabe.
There is no any shortcut for any concern that you are dealing with. So there is actual process of evaluation, assessment, and then see kung ano yung realistic goal, because whatever he has achieved was actual hard work from him to come here, the discipline. So I really want you to come and have the therapy, check with us kung ano talaga yung kaya namin maitulong para sa mga nararamdaman niya.
Feel well at Fadisap.
Feel well with Fadisap.